You will be amazed by this 2020 Landrover Discovery. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an impressively capable, unapologetically posh Discovery that's ready for any adventure. From its high-end style and superior build quality to its suite of tech-savvy amenities and safety features, this remarkable full-size SUV will exceed every expectation. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, heated mirrors, premium sound system, aluminum wheels. This exclusive Discovery is your opportunity to enjoy the luxury and capability you've always wanted. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.